Hi everyone, morning. Morning, guys. Okay. Can anyone remind me what was the last question I have given you in the homework? What was the last question what I gave you? Right. Can anyone remind me what was the last question which I gave you? Five t square minus 9t plus 3. So question was 5 plus 5t square minus 9t plus 3. We need to find out the minima for this. Because why minima? Because if you look, this is a quadratic equation, mouth opening upside. So if mouth opening upside, maximum value is going to be infinite, only one minimum value is going to be there. How many of you get the answer? Okay. So point is 9 by 10 and value is minus, the value is minus 21 by 20. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. By which method, guys? By which method did you calculate it? By differentiation method or by the graph method? By differentiation. Good. Because now after that, try to use differentiation because it is easy to use. So look here, guys. Everyone just look here. If you have not completed, if you have not calculated, then just look here. I'm solving how to find out. And some people were absent yesterday. So I'm going to explain step by step of this question. So try to understand. So if I want to find out the maxima or minima of this function, so what we need to do, first we differentiate this function and make it equals to 0. So what is the first step while finding maxima or minima? Whatever the function they have given, just differentiate and equate it equals to 0. So if I differentiate, can I say that dy by dt that is equals to 10t minus 9, and this is dy by dx, make it equals to 0. So you will get a point. So t is a point. At this point, this function can have a maximum value or can have minimum value. We don't know, because if dy by dx 0, it happens for maxima as well as minima both. Now, if I calculate one more, d2y over dt square. So d2y over dt square. So again, if I differentiate, I will get 10, which is greater than 0. Now, guys, can anyone tell me when d2y over dt square greater than 0, then is it condition of minima or maxima? So that is condition of minima, means at this point. Now, when I check d2y over dt square, it is greater than 0. It means that now this point is going to be minima. So can I say that minimum value of y? So at this point, function is going to have minimum value, means I have to put this point in this equation and I will get the minimum value. So it is going to be 5 into 9 by 10 whole square minus 9 into 5 by 10 minus 9 into 9 by 10 plus 3. So if you look, this is going to be 5 into 81 by 100 plus 81 by minus 81 by 10 plus 3. So what I'm going to do, 81 by 10 if I will take common. So from here I will get 5 by 10 minus 1 plus 3. So this is going to be minus 1 by 2. So minus 81 by 20 plus 3. This is minus 21 by 20. Is it right? This is the answer. Minus 21 by 20. Are you getting? Everyone getting the same answer? Minus 21 by 20. Right. So how to find out the maxima and minima of any function? Is it clear to everyone? First differentiate the function, make it equals to 0. You will get a point. Listen carefully what I'm saying. If you want to find out the maxima and minima, then if you are having a function, just differentiate it. When you differentiate, you will get another function. Make that function equals to 0. You will get a point. 1 point or maybe 2 or 3 points you are going to get. Then those points can be maxima or minima. Now, how we are going to decide whether it is maxima or minima? Then again differentiate. If you are getting greater than 0, then minima. If you are getting less than 0, then maxima. Then once you get this is the nothing but minima, then put the point what you get. Actually, that is going to be the minima point. Is it clear to everyone? So this was the homework. Just everyone note it down. If you are not able to understand, just let me. First, Vardhan, look here what we did. We need to find out the minimum value of this function. It should be minus 20, 21 by 20, not 10. If second derivative is quadratic equation, then how you know whether it is maxima or minima? Akshita, look here. Let's suppose, okay, let me take another example. Everyone just note it down. Akshita, just wait for a few minutes, then I will explain what you want to ask. Guys, is it clear to everyone? There is no formula, guys. Don't rely on formulas now. We need to go by the process. If I want to find out the minimum of this function, then we have to differentiate, put the value of function equals to 0, and you will get few points. If you get few points, they can have maximum value, they can have minimum value. Now, how we are going to decide? So again, we will differentiate. If I'm getting greater than 0, then it is going to be minima. If I'm getting less than 0, then it is maximum. The simple process. What is the wrong in this? Can anyone let Satvik just let me know what is wrong in this? Satvik, what is wrong in this? Can you let me know? Wait, guys, wait. I'm going to clarify your doubt if double differentiation is going to have values. Just wait for a second. Satvik, can you let me know what is which part is wrong in this solution? How to get y minimum? Y minimum I get once you get the point. At this point, this function is going to have minimum value. So put this point in this function, you will get the minimum value. Satvik, listen here carefully. There is Satvik. Whatever I have solved, that is perfectly correct, 100%. Now, next time onwards, listen carefully, because for last few many days I am looking at you. Your calculation is wrong, and you directly says that the whatever I am solving, that is wrong. Next time onwards, before saying that anything is wrong, just make sure that your calculations are right. Because you guys are not calculating properly and you are saying that I am wrong. So next time onwards, if you feel that it is wrong, then before saying anything, first make sure that your calculations are right. Because this question is 100% right, it is perfect. Now listen guys, see, people are saying that what happens if, let's suppose, d2i over dx square is having any other function. So in that case, just listen here carefully. Let's suppose I am having a function. Just wait, just let me calculate first. So let's suppose I am having a function y is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x, right? Let's suppose I am having this function. Now I want to find out the maxima and minima in this case for this function. So what I will do, just look here. Can I say that I will differentiate dy by dx? So I will get 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Is it right? Can I say that I will get this function? Is it right, guys? Now look here. For this quadratic equation, the roots are not proper. So let me change the equation so that we are going to get the proper root. So for that one, we can change in this way. That x square minus 3x plus 2x square, here we are getting x cubed by 3 minus So guys, look here. Now it is proper. For your easy calculations, for the perfect value of the roots, I have made a question. So let's suppose this is y. Can I say that x cubed by 3 minus 3x square by 2 plus 2x? This is the cubic equation. Just have a look. Is it right? Now I want to find out the maxima and minima of this function. Maxima and minima of this function. Everyone want to ask the same thing, that what happens if it is going to be called cubic function? Everyone was having the same doubt, whatever the questions you guys were asking. Is it right? So look here. If y is this function, then what I will do? I will differentiate. So can I say that once I differentiate it, I get x square minus 3x plus 2. Is it right? Differentiation is correct. Is it right, guys? Now, look here. What I told you, differentiate, make it equals to 0. So it is equals to 0. So can I say that factorization of this is nothing but x minus 1, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Means I get 2 points, 1 and 2. Is it right? Now look here, listen carefully. Now at point 1, this function can have maxima and minima, I don't know. At point 2 also this function can have maxima or minima, I don't know. Now we need to check it. So d2y over dx square if I calculate. So d2y over dx square is nothing but 2x minus 3. Now at this point, at x is equals to 1, d2y over dx square is equals to 2 into 1 minus 3, that is minus 1 less than 0. When d2y over dx square less than 0, what happens? Maxima or minima? Maxima means at x is equals to 1, maxima is going to exist. At x is equals to 1, maxima is going to exist. In the same way, at x is equals to 2, d2y over dx square. If I put the value, so 2 into 2 minus 3, that is 1. Means d2y over dx square greater than 3. It is 1 means d2y over dx square greater than 0. What does it mean? Means at this point it is minima. It is minima. What is going to be the maximum and minimum value at these points? So if I calculate, look here, y minima, that is going to be put the value 2. So if you put the value 2, you will get 2 cube by 3 minus 3 into 2 square by 2 plus 2 into 2. That is 8 by 3 minus 6 plus 4. So this is going to be minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. And this is going to be 6. So can I say that 2 by 3? Guys, if both are less than 0, then both points are going to have minima. Don't worry about it. Just stick to the formulas and the steps, concepts what I told you. If d2y over dx square less than 0, then it will be point of maxima, otherwise minima. So can I say that this is y minimum, y max? Put the value x is equals to 1. So that is 1 cube by 3 minus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2. That is 1 by 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 2. 1 by 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 2. That is equals to 1 by 2, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 6. Is it right? So look here. Guys, just check the calculations one. Just check the calculations one. Y maximum, calculate here. First, everyone tell me, is it clear that if cubic equation is going to be there, then what is going to happen? How we are going to solve it? If we get 2x minus 3, if you differentiate this function again, so can I say that you will get 2x minus 3? Niharika, did you get it? I just did the double differentiation, guys. If we get t is equals to then 0, then what we do? Guys, everything is not going to be possible whatever you are thinking, because this is mathematics. It doesn't mean that whatever you are thinking, everything is going to be possible. If that is equals to 0, dy by dx is equals to 0, then this is going to be the thing. What if both are less than 0? For a function, look here, function is going to have one property, that between two minima there is definitely one local maxima is going to exist. You won't be able to draw any graph which is going to have two minima without any maxima. It is not possible at all. Did you get it? Y max 5/6. Guys, just let me know what is the value of Y max. Okay. If it is less than 0, then it is going to have maximum. So just put the value x is equals to 1. 1 cube by 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 2. How much is this? Can anyone let me know? And y minimum, just check once calculation. Have I calculated it right or not? This is 5/6, right? What about this one? Just let me know y minimum. Is it right? Have I calculated it right? Okay. d2y over dx square is nothing but the double differentiation. Is it clear to everyone? What I did, listen again, I am repeating, just listen. They have given a function, I need maxima or minima. So for that, what I do, first I differentiate the function and put it equals to 0. I get 2 points. Now these 2 points can have maximum value or minimum value, I don't know. Then what I did, again I check d2y over dx square. So again I differentiated, I get a function this. Now in this one, if I put 1, I will get negative. So if d2y over dx square negative, I told you that is the condition of maxima. Means at x equals to 1 maxima, and at x is equals to 2, I am getting d2y over dx square greater than 0, means it will be minima. Then put the value x is equals to 2 here, you will get the minimum value. Put the value x is equals to 1 here, you will get the maximum value. Now everyone just note it down. Now I hope that this question is clear to everyone. Everyone just note it down. In y max, how 3/2? Look here. Y max. Look here. Once I check this x is equals to 1 is going to have maxima because it is less than 0. For this, it is minima. So put these values, you will get the answer. Put these 2 points in here. In this function, whatever is going to be the value, that is going to be the answer. In previous problem, y max is not possible because it is quadratic. Maximum value when x is equals to infinite, the value will be infinite. So in the case of quadratic, only minima is going to be possible if mouth opening upside, and maxima will be possible if mouth opening downside. But one side it is going to be infinite or minus infinite. And don't worry guys, you will get the point exactly. If you look in quadratic, you are getting only 1 point. That is going to be maxima or minima. No need to worry about that. That is there any maxima or minima, other maxima, minima possible, because it will be mathematically come. Whatever the points you are going to get. This is also quadratic equation. Satvik, this is not quadratic equation. If you look, this is a cubic. This is the original function what I have given. Cubic equation, x cube by 3 minus 3x square by 2 plus 2x. This is a cubic equation, not quadratic. Done. Everyone noted down this? Guys, have you noted down? Okay. Now, shall we proceed further? Shall we proceed? So this was all about differentiation and maxima and minima. Now, for practice, there are a lot of questions in the exercises. For your practice, there is a lot of question in the exercises. I will give you in the homework. You need to practice from there. Did you guys get it? I have already taken 3 examples how to get the maxima and minima values. Till now, is it clear to everyone? Again, I am repeating that if you want to find out maxima of any function, just differentiate it, make it equals to 0. You will get some points. Those points can be maximum points, can be minimum point. How we check? Again, we differentiate at that point. If it is greater than 0, then minima. If it is less than 0, then maxima. What if both are 0? How it is possible, guys? Can you think about it? If it is 0, it means that neither it is maxima nor it is minima. Did you get it? It is a flat function. Somik Reddy, if you are saying that x to the power 4, look here. Y is equals to x to the power 4. If I want to find out maxima or minima, how it is going to be there? So look here, if I calculate dy by dx, that is 4x cubed. Dy by dx, 4x cubed. That would be equal to 0 means x is equals to 0. Now x is equals to 0 is going to have a maxima or minima. Now what we do? d2y over dx square. So that is going to be 12x square, right? At x is equals to 0, d2y over dx square is 0, right? Is it right? d2y over dx square is 0 at x is equals to 0. Clear? Is it clear, guys? Now look here. It means that it is not following our concept. Neither it is greater than 0 nor it is less than 0. What we need to do, if I calculate d2y over dx square for 0 plus means 0.000 something. Can I say that d2y over dx square will be greater than 0 and d2y over dx square for 0 minus, that is also going to be, if you look, so for 0 minus also can I say that it will be greater than 0? Is it right? For 0 plus and 0 minus, because this is a square, can I say that I will get greater than 0? Is it right? Everyone understand? Now, when d2y over dx square greater than 0, because yesterday when I was talking about graph, you have seen that I have just taken the point just before and just after the maximum or minimum point. The same thing I am doing here. So can I say that this is nothing but condition of minima? And you know that the graph of y equals to x to the power 4 is going to be like this. So by the equation, by our equation also we are getting the same thing. You just need to calculate. If it is great equals to 0, then just calculate a little bit after and a little bit before. What I did in the graph yesterday, the same thing. Just take a point just before, just after, and look at the d2y over dx square. Is it clear now how to find out? Guys, try to listen and try to understand carefully. Everyone, in every question, you guys are saying that again and again and again. How many times we can revise this? By this speed, we are going to move them in 2 years. Also, we won't be able to complete the syllabus. Try to understand whatever I'm saying instead of just asking and again and again. First, try to listen carefully and try to understand. If they have given function y is equals to x to the power 4, I want to find out the maxima and minima. What process I told you? That first differentiate. So I differentiated once dy by dx. I get 4x cube. Now I told you that differentiate and make it equals to 0, you will get a point or more than 1 point. So if I put it equals to 0, I will get 1 point, x is equals to 0. Now this x is equals to 0 can be maxima, can be minima. By only one time differentiation, we don't know. We will get a point that can be maxima, that can be minima. Then we again differentiated. And if we put the value, again I am getting 0. Now I am very confused because what was told that if greater than 0, then minima, if less than 0, then maxima. Now I am getting exactly 0. So actually what we need to do is study. When I was talking in graph, I took the point just nearby those points, left and side, right. So here also what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing. d2i over dx square, this 12x square, what I will calculate? I will calculate if this is origin, so I will try to calculate here and here. 0 plus and 0 minus. 0 plus means a little bit small positive number, means 0.0000, something like that. A small positive number nearby 0, and 0 minus is nothing but a small negative number nearby 0, means minus 0.00. So if you look, this is quadratic equation. If this is quadratic equation, whether you put positive value or negative value, you will always get positive. Means can I say that d2i over dx square for 0 plus is greater than 0, for 0 minus also greater than 0. So if it is greater than 0, can I say that it is nothing but the condition of minima? Means at x is equals to 0, this function is going to have minimum value, and we know that how the graph looks like for x to the power 4. Now is it clear to everyone? Or having still doubt? Guys, just let me know. Everyone, is it clear to everyone? Okay. So guys, if you want to note it down, just note it down, because few people were having doubt that what happens if it is going to be equals to 0. So everyone just note it down. This is the way we have to calculate for that. Whatever the point I get, just a little bit forward and little bit backward to that point. Means if it is 0, then 0 plus and 0 point. Is it done? Guys, every type of questions are important. They can ask you anything. I think you guys don't know what is JEE mains and JEE advanced. So let me tell you one. That JEE mains and JEE advanced is the name of that exam in which none of the questions are going to be seen. You will never see any question what they are going to ask. They are always going to be new. The only concepts and formulas, all those things are going to be used in that. So we can't say that this is not important, this is important. Whatever we are teaching throughout the 2 years, every point, every concept, everything is important. They can ask from everyone. everywhere and anywhere. Did you get it? So you can't identify that this is important, this is not important. So don't think about that in that way. No need to think, because everything is important whatever we are teaching. The concept, if you are going to learn, you can easily use these questions, these concepts to solve the questions, because everything is unseen. Even I don't know what they are going to ask. No one knows. Materials, I told you that you need to get from the college. Sanjay, I am permanent. Are you having doubt? What if I am not permanent? Okay, guys. So this was all about maxima and minima. Now what we need to do, just look here. After this, so your differentiation part and its application completed. Where we can use the differentiation, I told you so many formulas in physics which we are going to apply later in later chapter. And maxima and minima of any function, how to find out, I told you by using the differentiation method. Till now in differentiation, is it clear to everyone? The differentiation portion. The differentiation portion clear to everyone? Okay. All right. Now we are going to start the next part of this chapter, that is called integration. The next part is integration. So what is integration? Then another name of integration is, guys, what was the another name of differentiation? What was the another name of differentiation? What I told you? Can anyone let me know? It is derivative, right? It is derivative. In the same way, for integration, the another name is antiderivative. Antiderivative means the opposite. Integration is nothing but opposite of differentiation. So look here. Now, how we are going to define? So can I say that if capital Fx is antiderivative of small fx. Let's suppose I am saying that fx, capital Fx is antiderivative of small fx, then can I say that, look here, this is integration of this function. So can I say that when I am going to differentiate this function, I will get the same function. Is it right? Just think about this statement and let me know. Did you understand? Otherwise, I will let you know. Now, if you didn't understand, just look here. Look here, guys. If you differentiate x cube, what you get? If you differentiate x cube, what is the differentiation? 3x square, right? So 3x square, correct? Now they are saying that, means can I say that integration of 3x square is x cube? Can I say that integration of 3x square is x cube? Means, can I say that actually this is nothing but fx and this is nothing but small fx? Is it right? And if you differentiate capital Fx, you will get the small fx. Is it right? Means if you differentiate, then you will get this function 3x square. Now, if you integrate 3x square in opposite way, you will get the same function. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? The definition that if I am having a function, if I differentiate, then I will get another function. If that function, if I am integrate, I will get the original function. Means it is something like just opposite operation, nothing else. Means one thing is very clear. Like, let's suppose you are having a function, and if you integrate it, after integration also you are going to get the answer. Now, to cross check whether we calculated is correct or not, whatever the answer you are getting, if you differentiate, you must get the original question. If you are getting the original question, your answer is correct. Otherwise, your integration is wrong. Did you get it? So everyone just note it down this definition. And one more thing, that integration is easy than differentiation, because in integration, small and very less formulas are going to be there, very less number of rules. So everyone just note it down. Then look here. How we are going to denote? So if I denote integration, fx is antiderivative, means fx is integration of fx. So can I say that integration of fx dx is nothing but capital Fx. This is nothing but sign of integration. Sign of integration. Now, whatever is the variable here, whatever is the variable of the function, with the same variable of integration we are going to integrate. Means if here fx, you can't write down dt. Look here. If here fx means, let's suppose I'm having the function x square. So x square will be always integrated by dx, because x is the variable. You can't integrate x square dt. That is totally wrong. So whatever is going to be the variable of integration, whatever is going to be the variable of the function, variable of integration will be same. Means if here x, then dx. If it is ft, then it will be dt. Fu, then du. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear, guys? So this is the function which we want to integrate. And this is nothing but variable of integration. Is it clear, the notation? So everyone just note it down. This is the definition. So it is simply opposite. What if we integrate like that, then we'll get 0. Or so yes, for which question are you talking about? If we integrate like that, then we will get 0. What you will get 0? You will get nothing. That is not defined. X square dt is not defined. That is not going to have any meaning. Neither it is 0, infinite, nothing. It is not going to have any meaning. Even you can say question is wrong. Simple. Because that is not possible at all. So everyone just note it down first. This is the notation. Done. So this is the sign of integration. This is the variable. X is variable of integration, and this is function which we are going to integrate. Sometimes this is called integrand. Sometimes this function is called integrand, because this is the function which is going to be integrated. Is it clear? The notation. Guys, the notation clear to everyone? Okay. Now I am giving you like differentiation. I am giving you some rules, some formulas, how to integrate the functions. So first we need to see some formulas so that we can use those formulas for integration. So look here, formulas. First one, if I want to integrate x to the power n dx, means some function to the power n, can we calculate integration of 0? We can't calculate integration of 0. 0 is a constant. 0 dx. Look here, x to the power n dx. If we want to calculate, then this is nothing but x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. Now, why I'm using c? Just look here. First, try to understand. Then I will let you know more formula. If I integrate x to the power n dx, if you look, I have not written anything here and here. So this is called indefinite integration. We are talking about indefinite integration. Now, what is indefinite integration? So in indefinite integration, there won't be limits. Means two types of integration are going to be there. First one, indefinite integration. In indefinite integration, what happens? We are not going to put the limits. Limits means here, let's suppose I am putting some value, here some value. So this is called definite integration. But if we don't put anything here, sign, if it is going to be like this, then it is called indefinite integration. Right now we are just doing the indefinite integration. So in that one, x to the power n dx will be x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Now this c is arbitrary constant. Why we are using it? So just look here. I will explain you by one easy example. It is very easy. Let's suppose I am having x square plus 2 and x square. Is it right, guys? Is it right? X square and x square plus 2. I'm having, listen, arbitrary constant. That's what I'm trying to explain. First, listen, I'm taking, that's why I'm taking an example. Let's suppose y is equals to x square, y is equals to x square plus 2. If I differentiate this function, what I will get? Can anyone tell me? What I will get? If I differentiate x square, I will get 2x. Is it right? Correct. If I differentiate this function, then what I will get? Then also I will get 2x. Now look here, I told you that integration is opposite. Means if I integrate this 2x, then I can get this function or I can get this function. Means can I say that I have to keep one arbitrary constant, because when we differentiate this arbitrary constant, we know that constant becomes 0. So x square plus 2, the integration of 2x can be x square plus 2, x square plus 1, or anything. So that's why we are keeping constant here 1 plus 3, so that here it is nothing but plus 0. Here it is plus 2. If it is plus 3, plus 4, anything, can I say that all the cases are going to be managed by this formula? Is it clear? Why? Because when we differentiated, this constant becomes 0. So to manage those things, to manage those constant, we have to put a constant, so that according to the condition in the given question, we can easily calculate the c value. When we are going to talk about the definite integration, then we will see how to find out the c value, how we can find out this arbitrary constant. But right now, only we need to understand that why I have written. Because if you differentiate this, then also you will get 2x. If you differentiate this, then also you will get 2x. So this constant is gone missing if I'm not putting a constant here. it will be always x square, but we know that for x square plus 2 also the differentiation is 2x. So to manage the constants, we are writing one arbitrary constant, and arbitrary means any random thing. Like here 2, here 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, minus 2, anything can be there. Now is it clear to everyone why we are? So whenever we are going to do the indefinite integration, we will write a constant. So this is the first formula. This is the first formula. X to the power n dx. If I want to integrate, I will get equals to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Second formula. Guys, what was the differentiation of sin x cos? Okay. What was the differentiation of cos x? Differentiation of cos x is nothing but sin x minus sin x. Means, can I say that if I differentiate minus sin x dx, and let's suppose I am writing it sin ax plus b dx, means I am taking the general thing. If I want to integrate sin ax plus b dx, then can I say that the differentiation of sin is cos? So can I say, and differentiation of cos is sin? So can I say that integration of sin will be nothing but cos and 1 minus, means can I say that it is nothing but minus 1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. Is it right? Is it correct or not? This formula clear to everyone? Now look here. How to check whether my integration is correct or not? Look here, I am telling you one easy way, one easy method. I integrated this and I get this. Whether I get the correct one or not, how? If you differentiate this function, everyone just differentiate this function. Are you getting this sin ax plus b or not? Just let me know. If after differentiation you are getting the same function what they have given in the question, or integration is correct. And why 1 by a, guys? Because this is the formula you need to remember. Only I am telling you whether I have calculated it right or not, how we can check it. So when you are going to differentiate this, you will get the same function. Just differentiate. Can I say that I can differentiate this by using inside outside function or chain rule? So just differentiate it and let me know whether you are getting the same answer or not. What do you think, guys? Are you getting the same answer? Here you can write down where capital A and B are constants. Guys, from where it came? So this is the formula. This is the formula sin ax plus b dx. If you want to integrate this function, you will get minus 1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. Where c is arbitrary constant, a and b is constant. Did you get it? A, B and C. C is also A, B and C are constant. Is it clear? This is the formula you need to remember. Is it clear? 1 minus will be also there. Now, the easy way to check, just differentiate this. If you are getting sin ax plus b, your integration is right. Otherwise, you have to check your calculation. These two formulas clear? Just everyone note it down. Then I will let you know the next formula. We will see in the question how we can use these formulas. So first note it down, everyone. Once differentiate and show the formula. Guys, it means that your differentiation is also not clear. If I want to differentiate this, look here, let's suppose the function is -1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. If I try to calculate dy by dx, so -1 by a is constant, cos ax plus b. So I will use the inside outside rule. So outside function is cos, inside function is a linear function. So cos differentiation is minus sine ax plus b. Then differentiation of inside, that is ax plus b, differentiation will be a plus constant 0. Now if you look, this a got cancelled out, this minus got cancelled out, and you get the same function. Means after differentiation you are getting the same function, means your integration is right, because I told you it is nothing but the opposite process. If you integrate, if you get this, then just differentiate, you will get the same function. Is it clear? And this is the proof. So after guys, after this formula, you can write down this function. This is nothing but the proof that if you differentiate this function, you will get the original function. So after that, you can write down this one also. This is just a justification of proof that your integration is correct. Is it clear to everyone? Integration of sin x, Shastra. No, Satwik, we need not to check every time. If you are confident enough that you integrated correctly, then there is no problem. But if you are having doubt in your mind, or if you want to cross check, for that one, just I told you a step, a way to check it. It means that I'm not saying that every time you have to check. But if you are having doubt, if you are having anything in your mind, you can check by this process. Is it clear? It doesn't mean that every time you have to check it. Sahasra, look here. If Sahasra is saying that what is going to be the integration of sin x. So Sahasra, can I say that when I want to integrate sin x, the value of a will be 1, value of b will be 0. If I put a1, b0, can I say that I will get sin x dx? And in formula at a1 I will put and b0 I will get the same integration. Did you get it? So integration of sin x dx means a1 b0. Guys, have you noted down? Shall I let you know the next formula? Have you noted? Okay. Third one. If I want to integrate cos kx dx, where k is a constant. This is the third one. If I integrate cos kx dx, so integration of cos is going to be nothing but sine, because the differentiation of sine is cos. So you will get 1 by k sine kx plus c, or simply sine kx by k plus c. Is it right? Is it clear to everyone? If you differentiate this, can I say that you will get cos kx dx? Cos kx. Is this clear to everyone? Now, if you want to integrate cos x dx, then put the value k is equals to 1. You will get it. Next, fourth. What was the differentiation of tan x? What was the differentiation of tan x, guys? Sec square x. Correct? So can I say that if I integrate sec square x dx, what I will get? What I will get? Can anyone let me know? Can I say that I will get tan x plus c? Because if I differentiate tan x, I will get sec square x. In the same way, what was the differentiation of cot x? What was the differentiation of cot x? Minus cosec square x. So can I say that differentiation of cosec square x dx? So look here, I have not taken minus sign here. So can I say that it will be minus cot x plus c? Is it right? Why I am putting minus? Because here I have not taken minus. I have not taken minus cosec square x. I have just taken cosec square. So cot x is nothing but minus cosec square x minus minus plus. So can I say that I will get this one minus cot x plus c? Is it right? Is it clear to everyone? Just let me know. So everyone just note it down these three formulas. Then I will let you know three more. Just everyone note it down. And if you are having any problem, any doubt, then just let me know. Third one. Third one is cos kx dx, where k is a constant. So the integration of cos kx dx is nothing but sin kx by k plus c. This is the formula. How we can check it? So if I put k is equals to 1, can I say that it will be cos x dx? And here it will be sin x. Now if I differentiate sin x, can I say that I will get cos kx, cos x? So this is a formula you need to remember. If you differentiate this function, you will get cos k. Everyone just note it down. Look here, Anuj. When we are going to talk about definite integration, then I will let you know how to find out this arbitrary constant c. Right now, we are talking about indefinite, so we are not going to talk about how to find out. They will give some data, some conditions in the question, and based on that, we will calculate the value of arbitrary constant. But right now, we are talking about indefinite integration, so just put it c. There is no need to think about that. Is it done? Shall I tell you the next formula? Guys, shall I tell you the next? Okay. Now, Can anyone tell me what was the differentiation of sec x function? Sec x, what was the differentiation? Sec x tan x. So can I say that if I integrate sec x tan x dx, can I say that I will get sec x plus c? Is it right? Because differentiation of sec x is nothing but sec x tan x. In the same way, cosec x cot x dx. What will be the integration? If I integrate cosec x cot x dx, can I say that I will get minus cosec x plus c? Because if I differentiate cosec x, I will get minus cosec x cot x. Similarly, if let's suppose I am having dx divided by ax plus b. Now a and b are again constant. So this function, look here. Now if I put a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0, what I will get? Can anyone tell me? If I put, so can I say that I will get 1 by x dx? So differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. So can I say that this is nothing but 1 by a ln ax plus b plus c. If you put a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0, you will get ln x. Ln x, if you differentiate, you will get 1 by x. And 1 by x dx, if you integrate, you will get ln x. So integration of 1 by x dx is ln x. From this formula we can see. So this is all about the formulas which we are going to use in integration. Not more than that, only these many formulas are there. So everyone just note it down, then we will start solving some questions based on this. Everyone noted down these formulas. And Krishna Veni, indefinite and definite integration, there is nothing, no need to worry about. If they have not kept anything here, means any limit here, it is indefinite integration. We have to write down this arbitrary constant. If it is going to be definite, then I will let you know that what are going to be the changes. In indefinite, there won't be any limits, means we are not writing anything here. We have not completed differentiation of implicit function. Pawan, guys, when I asked yesterday, everyone told that differentiation has been completed. That's why I have started from application of differentiation. Now you are saying that implicit function differentiation is not completed. I can't do anything because we have already proceeded and we are doing integration. So just leave it. Try to read by yourself. Whatever the doubts you are having, just let me know. In the doubt session, we can discuss. So in the evening, in the doubt session, just ask me. I will let you know how to differentiate the implicit function. If anyone having any problem, then in the doubt session in the evening, we will discuss that. Don't worry. Look here, Likhita, ln and log is same if base is e. Ln and log will be same if base is e, not 10. If it is going to be 10, then it is not going to be equals to ln. Is it clear? So both are same, but base must be e. Guys, have you noted down these formulas? Shall I give you some examples? Now everyone try to solve these questions. Everyone try to solve these three. Everyone first try to solve these three questions. Then try to solve this. Fifth one by x dx. Everyone try to solve these five questions. Look at the formulas, which formula we can use those formulas and try to find out. These all questions are based on formulas. Everyone try to solve all the questions by yourself, then I will discuss it. First try by yourself. So there is no chain rule, nothing. Rules, what the rules are going to be there, I will let you know. First try to solve these questions. Guys, whatever we are teaching, just first concentrate on that instead of just thinking about anything else what you don't know. Whatever is going to be there, we will teach you. But we are going step by step. We can't jump from one step to another step. So what the homework I have given, just try to solve these. Everyone calculate all the parts and let me know. Once you completed all, just let me know. Guys, try to calculate all the parts, then let me know the answers. Okay, look here how we can solve it. Shall I solve, guys? Everyone attempted all the questions? Everyone attempted all the questions? Everyone get all the answers? Okay, look here how we can solve it. So first one, can I see that this is nothing but an x to the power n dx format. So can I see that x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c means x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. If you differentiate this, you will get x cubed. There is no problem. First one clear to everyone? First question. Guys, first question clear to everyone? Okay. Second, 1 by root x. So this is not our standard format. So first we will change it. So can I say that this can be written as x to the power minus half dx? Can I say that 1 by root x can be written as x to the power minus half dx? So what is going to be the value? X to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus c. Is it right? Everyone able to understand? Minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. We use the formula x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So this is nothing but x to the power half divided by, this is plus half means this is going to be half plus c, and this is nothing but equals to 2 root x plus c. Is it right? How many of you get 2 root x plus c? Everyone able to understand the second one? Clear to everyone? Second. Okay. Third one. So for third one, can I say that it is nothing but x to the power 5 by 3 plus 1 divided by 5 by 3 plus 1 plus c. So 5 by 3 plus 1, that is x to the power 8 by 3. And this is 8 by 3 means 3 by 8 plus c. Is it right? Everyone get the same answer? 3 by 8 x to the power 8 by 3 plus c. Okay, good. Sin 2x dx. So can I say that here a is 2 and b is 0? If you look in our formulas, if I put a0, a2 and b0, I will get sin 2x dx. So what is going to be the integration of sine? So that is nothing but minus cos 2x by 2 plus. Is it right? How many of you get this answer? Minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. Or 1 minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus c. That is also right. Is it clear? 1 by x dx. If you look the formula dx divided by ax plus b, put a equals to 1, b 0, you will get ln x plus c. This is the standard result you need to remember. This is the standard one. 1 by x dx integration always ln x plus c, you always remember. Third one, someone is asking. Third one, guys, can I see that the value of n is 5 by 3? So I use the formula x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. 5 by 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 5, 8 by 3. And this is nothing but 8 by 3. So outside it is going to be 3 by 3. Fourth one. So wait, now look here. One doubt someone is having, 1 by x dx. That can be written as x to the power minus 1 dx. So x to the power minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1 plus c. Now if you look, this is 0. Something divided by 0 is not defined. That's why this is a special case and we are not using the x to the power n rule. Did you guys understand why I didn't use x to the power n rule here? Because it is not defined. So that's why this is a special case and that's why I told you that you need to remember it. That it is always ln x dx. Look here guys, if you are doing the indefinite integration plus c is compulsory, but most of the time right now we are learning, so we need to keep everywhere. After some time we will see that we can skip that one, there is no problem. But right now since we are learning, we need to put plus c everywhere. Is it clear to everyone? In fourth one, what I did, I use the formula what I told you, integration of sine ax plus b dx. In that one, a is equals to 2, b equals to 0. So if I put a 2, b 0, I will get same. So whatever is the formula, just put a equals to 2, b 0, you will get the same answer. Now pair x to the power n dx. So x to the power 5 by 3 plus 1 divided by is ln x is underdefined. Ln x is not undefined. Something divided by 0 is undefined. If you use the x to the power n rule, then you will get something divided by exact 0. That is undefined, because of that we are using it. Look here, x to the power 5 by 3 plus c. So x to the power 5 by 3 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1. That is 3 by 8 x to the power 8 by 3. Is it clear to everyone? All the questions now? Okay guys. Homework I have already given, and most of the people till now they didn't get the seat, so I'm not giving you any homework. Try to complete that one. How many of you completed the homework what I have given to you? ln x means log x base e. ln x is nothing but log x, but base is e. Doubt I will take it, don't worry. Doubt I will take it. Hasini, what I did, if in the formula you put a is equals to 2, b is equals to 0. Hasini, whatever the standard formula I told you, can I say that if I put a is equals to 2, b 0, I will get sine 2x dx? So the same thing I put in the right side also. So cos ax plus b, so 2x divided by 2 plus. Is it clear now? Okay guys, so see you in the next class. Thank you everyone. In the next class we will see the rules related to integration, and then we will try to solve some more questions. Homework I have already given you yesterday. The same homework you need to do again.